Alright, what is going on, everybody? So, we got ourselves a new camera for Christmas. That's what we're using right now, obviously. But, yeah, this right now is, what is it? Oh, it's New Year's Day, actually. Yeah, New Year's Day. So I'm recording this right now. And I figured we'd go for a little night ride. SD card did not come with the GoPro, so we had to get it separately. So yeah, now we're just gonna be testing it out now that we got it. So let's just go for a little ride. We gotta squeeze our way out of here first. Yes. Ready. Oh, let's turn our lights on actually. We got a decent amount of snow actually. It's all frozen down and stuff, so it's so bumpy from when we already rode on it. What in the world? Why did that just... Did we just see that? Alright, so my high beams... Why is it doing that? Are we seeing this? My low beams and high beams are getting mixed up, so we're just gonna leave it on high beams because I don't know what's happening with that. I don't know, maybe it's too cold, but oh well. Well, let's not get hit by these trees. That's a little grabby. Dude, the snow is so great. Dude, my seat just came off. Come on. Ugh. There we go. Alright, let's go down to this mud hole. I haven't been down here in actually a while. There's a lot of deer. What the? There's some deer over here. I haven't been down to the mud hole in a while. It's going to be frozen with some really thick ice over it. I have not been in it. But I still just want to see how it, if it even is really frozen, because it's actually really cold out here, dude. And it has been really cold for a while, so. Dude, there's so many deer over here. What the? Yeah, it is frozen. I'm not going to go over that, because if I get stuck in there, actually, not going to be a very good time. Dude, where is a turnaround spot? There we go. Oh, dude, the snow's actually... What the... Oh. Snow is decently deep over here because I have not been riding back here because I haven't been going to the mud hole. Let's see how fast we can go without crashing. Alright, so we go into the snow that is not packed down. It's a little grabby. Dude, I don't know what happened, but so all the snow that got packed down and stuff is so frozen that it won't budge or anything. So when I'm trying to go super fast, I keep hitting all these bumps. Like, I know where all the bumps are. I've ridden this a lot, but it's so bumpy. Like right up here, there's a huge hole. a huge hole because the snow isn't breaking down or anything. It's just gonna keep packing up and freezing. So it's super bumpy and I lose control a lot. What is this, 4-wheel? We are not getting back with a 2-wheel, or else I would do some donuts back here. Oh, let's not get hit by these trees again. Where is this spot? There it is. Alright, well, we're holding her wide open and the snow will not let us go. Woo. We're not gonna go into my mom's truck. We almost casually roll it. Nothing much. Dude, I can see that my camera's on right now, and it's already lasting a lot better than my other one. Like, my other one in this kind of cold would not be lasting as long as this one. And this one doesn't even have a case. The other one has a case. That's why you can't even hear me that good on the other one. But this is my first time even trying this one out, so I kind of want to go do some off-roading. Alright, this ground is frozen. Do my brakes not work? Alright, let's go do some off-roading. Hopefully we find some deers, some lucky deers. Oh, okay, we're good. Where am I going? Why am I going this way? What the? I'm gonna try to sneak over here. Ow! There. Did I not just see a light? I could have sworn I just see a light right through there. That must have been my imagination. Huh. Yo, we are not making it through this, dude. There's too many mud holes anyway. Oh my goodness, dude. This snow is something. Well, let's bring her home. Dude, I love snow wheeling, dude. It's actually so fun. You have no control. And you're just holding it wide open most of the time. It's just so fun. Is going to be all for today's video. Thank you guys for clicking on the video and watching it all the way through. I very much appreciate it. I hope you guys' Christmas and New Year was very, very fantastic too. So I will catch you guys in the next one.